in front of me is POCO F4 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this POCO smartphone. You need to start by opening Tools folder and accessing Recorder app. Now tap on this red button and click on while using the app, or only this time in the pop-up. Then select Allow and click on the same red button to pause or unpause your recording. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on this flag icon, and if you wish to end it and save it, click on the check mark. Now you can delete it right away by choosing Delete over here. But you can also click on the check mark, name your recording, and then tap on OK to save it. To access list of all your recordings, click on this right button with 3 lines and tap on Allow. Now, as you can see, mine is over here. If you want to play it, click on it. If you wish to delete it though, hold it, select this delete icon at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!